in Embu primary schools. Go to Embu County, bed bugs are full there. Urban primary school, bed bugs are there. Dallas, these are matters I've reported to the CEC. I've had a meeting with her. I've had a meeting with the CEO. I've done my own mapping. Nothing is being done.
Nimeario ya munini wa speaker thiine wa bunge ya kaunti ya Embu Ibrahim Swaleh akiuga githomo ni kiratharario ni mututhuko wa Ndutu na ngunguni thiine wa macukuru ma Embu. Miario ya ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri wa muingi mwena wa Embu rureganite nayo na kuuga gutire na mututhuko wa ngunguni na Ndutu thiine wa macukuru. Afitha wa ugima wa mwiri Roslyn Kauge augite ni makoretwo magiko thuthuria kana kuri arutwo maritwo ni Ndutu na kuhotomio ni ngunguni no mationete otigatu micini ya andu kiumbe.
Turoretie cukuru nyingi muno turathi tukiroragia cukuru gwika school inspections tunyitanirite na arimu ara matrenetwo maundu ma school inspection na institution hands na so far tutina any complaint kuma cukuru iriku ona iriku.
Uthuthuria uyu ni urikitie gwikwo thiine wa Urban Primary School imwe hari iria Swaleh agwetete gukorwo na thina ucio. Murutani munene cukuru-ini ino augite utheru niguo kindu kiria kiigitwo mbere akiuga gutire gwakorwo na mututhuko wa Ndutu na ngunguni cukuru-ini iyo.
Whoever made the allegation could have visited the school, not even telling the head teacher or the teachers what you want, and do a thorough investigation, instead of publicly declaring that this is a school that is very dirty.
Arutani guku maugite irathi ithambagio o muthenya na ningi arutwo the ni mekiraga iratu na kuiga giko haria kiagiriire.
Ciana cietu cioka cukuru rionthe ina iratu, socks na tai, koguo ciana cietu ugaciona ungi ifanania na ciana cia academy schools. Koguo kindu ta giko thiini wa cukuru yetu gutire kindu ta kiu.
Ona gukire uguo ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri ni ruritie aikari kuhura riboti mangimenya gicigo kiri na mututhuko wa Ndutu na ngunguni ni gukorwo mari na ndawa njiganu cia kuhuhiriria niguo gucinina. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.